Let's learn about fruit. Get ready to say the names with me. Let's start. This is an apple. Say it with me. Apple. A for apple. Apples are red and tasty. You can eat them fresh or in a pie. This is a banana. Say it with me. Banana. B for banana. Bananas are yellow and full of energy. Monkeys love them, and so do we. This is a mango. Say it with me. Mango. M for mango. Mangoes are sweet and juicy. Perfect for summertime. This is an orange. Say it with me. Orange. O for orange. Oranges are round, orange-colored, and full of vitamin C. These are grapes. Say it with me. Grapes. G for grapes. Grapes can be green or purple. You can eat them fresh or dried as raisins. This is a pineapple. Say it with me. Pineapple. P for pineapple. It's spiky on the outside, sweet inside. A tropical fruit treat. This is a papaya. Say it with me. Papaya. P for papaya. Papayas are soft, orange inside, and great for your tummy. This is a watermelon. Say it with me. Watermelon. W for watermelon. It's big green outside, red inside, and super juicy. This is a pomegranate. Say it with me. Pomegranate. P for pomegranate. It has shiny red seeds that burst with juice. This is a guava. Say it with me. Guava. G for guava. Guavas are green or yellow outside and pink or white inside. This is a lemon. Say it with me. Lemon. L for lemon. Lemons are sour, yellow, and used to make lemonade. This is a lychee. Say it with me. Lychee. L for lychee. It's red outside, white and juicy inside. This is a coconut. Say it with me. Coconut. C for coconut. It has a hard shell and soft white flesh inside, and coconut water too. This is a strawberry. Say it with me. Strawberry. S for strawberry. Strawberries are bright red and heart-shaped. Yum! This is a blueberry. Say it with me. Blueberry. B for blueberry. Blueberries are tiny, blue, and full of goodness. This is a pear. Say it with me. Pear. P for pear. Sweet and soft, perfect for snacks. This is a plum. Say it with me. Plum. P for plum. Plums are purple outside and juicy inside. This is a peach. Say it with me. Peach. P for peach. It's fuzzy on the outside and sweet inside. This is a cherry. Say it with me. Cherry. C for cherry. Cherries are small, red, and very tasty. This is a kiwi. Say it with me. Kiwi. K for kiwi. Brown and fuzzy outside, green and pretty inside. This is a fig. Say it with me. Fig. F for fig. Figs are soft and sweet with tiny seeds inside. This is an apricot. Say it with me. Apricot. A for apricot. Apricots are small, round, and orange. It's huge, spiky, and sweet inside. So yummy. This is a dragon fruit. Say it with me. Dragon fruit. D for dragon fruit. It's pink and spiky, with white or red dots inside. This is an avocado. Say it with me. Avocado. A for avocado. It's creamy, green, and great in sandwiches. This is a jackfruit. Say it with me. Jackfruit. J for jackfruit. It's huge, spiky, and sweet inside. So yummy. Wow, you did amazing. Now you know the names of 25 fruits. Which one is your favorite? Don't forget to eat fruits every day and stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe, and share our channel. See you again. Keep learning with us.